Welcome back. This is Madan. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can handle exception in our MVC project. So here we are in our project that we created earlier, and I'm on the pet controller. So here we haven't handled exception on any of the method. Let's say we are in the new action, and let's say a new exception occurred while creating the pet. So let's intentionally throw a new exception here. Throw new unauthorized exception, and with this let's see what happens. I have fired up the server and the server is up and running, so let's go and refresh here. And here we are in our project. So let's try to add a new pet, and let's give it a name of dog one and color red. Let's try to save, and here we go. We got an exception, but this exception is a very detailed exception, and this is only good for the eyes of developers, not for the general user. So we want to handle exception and give the user a more specific message or information about what happened. So let's head over back to our controller, and the efficient way to handle the exception is to use the try catch block. So let's cover our code, include our code inside try catch block. Try catch exception. Oops. Try catch exception, and let's put this block of code inside the try block. Here we go. And when exception occur, any error occur by some reason, or if the connection could not be established to the database, or by some reason if the pet could not be saved or edited, then the exception will be thrown and the catch block will handle that exception, and we can return some type of information to the user. Let's say we can return the content could not save or edit your pet. And let's format this and make a little bit nicer. With this, our application will behave differently. So I'm gonna go over to my pet index here. It's taking some time for the server to refresh. So here we are, and let's try to add a new pet again. Let's do dog and age and the color, and here we have successfully added our new pet. Now let's try to throw an exception. So for the purpose of the demo, I'm just gonna throw a new exception here. Throw new unauthorized exception. Of course, during runtime the exception could be anything. It could be either database exception, or null reference exception, or could be anything. But for the purpose of this demo, let's just throw unauthorized exception. And this time let's try to run our code. Refresh the server. And let's try to add a new pet. Grab it and give it a color of white. Let's save it. So here the exception is properly handled. We introduce unauthorized exception, so the pet could not be saved to database, and it falls back to the catch block, and it successfully returned the information that we provided. So the user will get a more specific information about what happened rather than showing the whole screen of death. In this way, we can include our code inside the try catch block to make it more safer. So let's remove the exception here, and let's include this inside try catch block as well. Exception EX, and then let's grab this code from here, put it inside here, just remove the extra space, permit the code, make it a little bit nicer, and again we can do the same thing here, or we can say could not find the pet, and same thing here, try cat exception EX. Let's copy this, put it here, remove the white space, and then let's copy this again, paste it here, and could not delete the pet. Now let's permit our code. So in this way we can handle the exception that occurred during runtime in our project and give user a more specific information about what happened rather than giving them the whole lot of information that is only good for the eyes of developer. Alright, that's it for now, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.